Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be talking about the data types in Power BI or Power Query. In Power Query, comprehending the data types is pivotal as they define the structure and processing behavior of your data. Mastery of the data type ensures that accurate data transformation is done, processing is done, and analysis can be done. Some of the common data types in Power Query are the text data type. In Power Query, the text data type serves as a fundamental building block for handling textual information within your dataset. It represents the alphanumeric characters, including letters, numbers, and special symbols, and is commonly used for storing textual data such as names, addresses, and descriptions. When working with the text data type in Power Query, you have the ability to manipulate and transform the textual data in various ways. For example, you can perform operations such as concatenation to combine multiple text strings, splitting to extract specific portion of text, or substitution to replace certain characters within a text string. The text data type enables you to clean and standardize the textual data, ensuring consistency and accuracy in your analysis. By utilizing the functions and transformations specific to the text manipulation, you can efficiently handle tasks such as formatting, parsing, and pattern matching within your data set. Some of the common examples of the text data type are the employee's name, product description, and addresses. Then we have the number data type. In Power Query, the number data type is essential for representing numerical values within your dataset. It encompasses integers, decimals, and other numerical formats, enabling you to work with quantitative information such as quantities, price, and measurements. With the number data type, you can perform various mathematical operations and calculations to analyze and manipulate your data effectively. This includes tasks such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and more complex operations like statistical functions and aggregations. When working with a numerical data type in Power Query, it's crucial to ensure the consistency and accuracy. You can use the number data type to standardize the formats, handle missing or invalid values, and apply the transformations to prepare your data for further analysis. Additionally, the number data type allows you to set precision and control the formatting of numerical values according to your requirement. Whether you need to round the numbers, specify the decimal places, or format the currency symbols, Power Query offers tools to tailor the numerical data presentations to your preferences. Some of the common examples of number data type are sales figures, age of the customer, and product prices. Then we have the date data type. In Power Query, the date data type is a fundamental component for managing and analyzing the temporal information within a dataset. It represents specific calendar dates without any associated time component, allowing you to work with the data centric data such as the transaction dates, birthdays, and deadlines. The date data type enables you to perform various operations and transformations to effectively manipulate and analyze the date related information. You can extract the components of dates such as the day, month, or year. Also, you can calculate the time interval between different dates and filter or group the data based on the date criteria. One of the key advantages of the date data type is its ability to ensure the consistency and accuracy in the data presentations. By using the standardized date formats and applying the date specific functions and transformations, you can handle the diverse date formats and resolve any inconsistencies or errors in your dataset. Moreover, the date data type provides capabilities for date arithmetic, allowing you to perform calculations such as adding or subtracting days, months, or years from dates. This flexibility enables you to derive the insights from temporal data and conduct time based analysis effectively. The next data type is time. In Power Query, the time data type is essential for representing the time values without associated dates, enabling you to work with the temporal information at a granular level. It allows you to capture specific points in time, such as event timings, duration measurements, or time intervals. The time data type empowers you to perform various operations and transformations to effectively manipulate and analyze the time related data. You can extract components of time values such as hours, minutes, or seconds and calculate the time differences or durations between different time points. One of the key advantages of the time data is basically its ability to ensure the consistency and accuracy in time representation. By using standardized time formats and applying the time specific functions and transformations, you can handle diverse time formats and resolve any inconsistency or errors in your dataset. Moreover, the time data type provides the capabilities for time arithmetic, allowing you to perform calculations such as adding or subtracting the time intervals from time values. This flexibility enables you to derive insights from temporal data and conduct time based analysis effectively. The next data type is datetime. In Power Query, the datetime data type combines both date and time components into a single entity, providing a comprehensive representation of temporal information. This versatility of the data type enables you to work with the precise timestamps, capturing specific moments in time with both date and time granularity. The datetime data type empowers you to perform a wide array of operations and transformations to effectively manipulate and analyze temporal data. You can extract and manipulate various components of datetime values such as year, month, day, hour, minute, and second, allowing for detailed analysis and reporting. One of the key advantages of the datetime data type is its ability to handle complex temporal scenarios, including time zone conversion, daylight saving adjustments, and interval calculation. By utilizing the datetime specific functions and transformations, you can address these intricacies and ensure accurate representation and analysis of temporal data. Moreover, the datetime data type facilitates the seamless integration with other temporal data source and system enables you to harmonize the datetime values according different platforms and applications. This interoperability enhances the data consistency and facilitates the collaboration and data sharing efforts. The next data type is Boolean. In Power Query, the Boolean data type serves as a fundamental building block for representing logical values, specifically true or false. This binary nature allows you to express the conditions, comparisons, and logical operations within your dataset. The Boolean data type empowers you to perform various logical operations and transformations to manipulate and analyze the data effectively. You can use Boolean values to filter the rows based on specific criteria, create conditional columns that evaluate the logical expressions, and aggregate data using logical functions such as AND, or NOT. One of the key advantages of the Boolean data type is its simplicity and clarity in expressing the logical conditions. Whether you are testing for equality, checking for existence, or evaluating the complex conditions, Boolean values provide a concise and intuitive representation of the logical states. Moreover, the Boolean data type facilitates the decision making process and data analysis by enabling you to evaluate and interpret the logical outcomes. By leveraging the Boolean values, you can identify patterns, categorize data, and derive actionable insights from your dataset with precision. Some of the most common examples of Boolean data type are the product availability, customer purchase, and the task completion. The next data type is binary. In Power Query, the binary data type is a versatile tool for handling and manipulating the binary data, which consists of sequences of bits representing the information such as images, documents, or other non-textual information. This data type allows you to work with the binary data in its raw form, enabling various operations and transformations to analyze and process it effectively. With a binary data type, you can perform a multitude of tasks, including reading and writing binary files, encoding and decoding data, and extracting the specific elements from binary streams. This flexibility empowers you to handle the diverse binary formats and interact with external systems that utilize the binary data. One of the key advantages of the binary data type is its ability to handle large volume of data efficiently, making it suitable for tasks such as importing and exporting the binary files, manipulating the binary data streams, and performing the complex transformations on binary data sources. Moreover, the binary data type provides support for various encoding schemes and compression algorithms, allowing you to optimize the storage and transmission of the binary data while preserving its integrity and fidelity. The next data type is the any. In Power Query, the any data type is a versatile representation that accommodates various types of data, unlike specific data types like text, numbers, or date. The any data type is more general and it can adapt to different data formats dynamically. The any data type is particularly useful when working with the heterogeneous datasets where the type of the values in a column may vary. It allows you to handle the mixed data types within a single column, providing the flexibility in data analysis and transformation. With any data type, you can perform operations and transformations that are applicable to multiple data types. This includes tasks such as filtering, sorting, and aggregating data without being restricted by specific data formats. One of the key advantages of the any data type is its ability to handle diverse data sources and formats seamlessly. Whether your dataset contains text, numbers, dates, or even binary data, the any data type can accommodate it, making it a valuable tool for data integration and analysis. Moreover, the any data type provides resilience when dealing with uncertain or inconsistent data, allowing you to process and clean the data effectively without encountering any errors due to mismatched data types. So, by grasping the nuances of these data types and employing them judiciously, you can adapt, manage, manipulate, and analyze your data within Power Query to derive the actionable insights and drive some informed decisions. So, whenever you are working with any data set, it is very important that every column should have the correct data type for smooth analysis. So, this was all for this session. In the next session, we will be talking about the naming convention and the best practice to consider in the Power Query. Thank you.